working perfectly well. Here is the outlet of washing machine. You can see it, the outlet. Here is the inlet of the washing machine. So the washing machine is beside this wall. I will go out and I will show you where the washing machine is now. I will show you where you can mount the washing machine. You can see the position. Here is the position for the washing machine. You can see it. Here is the outlet. This control is for the inlet. You can see it. It's working perfectly well. When I open this water, you will see working perfectly well.